Tonight, the moon shines as it always has, silently watching over a sleeping world that has no idea everything is about to change. Its pale light reaches distant mountains, just as it has for billions of years, calm, constant, and reassuring. Across the world, people enjoy another peaceful night beneath the moon, never imagining they're seeing it for the last time. Then, in a single impossible instant, the moon is gone. Confusion spreads instantly. Phones stop recording. Conversations fall silent. Every eye turns toward the empty sky. The familiar silver glow disappears. The ocean falls into darkness, and the night suddenly feels unfamiliar. From space, Earth looks unchanged, except for one impossible absence. Its closest companion has vanished. Around the world, astronomers race for answers, but every telescope finds the same thing: nothing. Giant observatories search the heavens. Every instrument scans the sky, but the moon has simply disappeared. Mission Control erupts into action. Scientists check every system, yet no explanation can be found. The first clues appear along the coast. Instruments begin recording tides unlike anything ever measured. Experienced sailors sense it immediately. The sea no longer moves the way it always has. On dark beaches, newborn sea turtles lose the ancient light that has guided them for millions of years. The silence spreads beyond humans. Creatures of the night begin behaving in ways nature never intended. From orbit, the change becomes unmistakable. Earth's oceans begin losing the rhythm the moon once controlled. Coastlines slowly transform as the powerful tides that shaped our planet begin to fade away. Beneath the surface, entire ecosystems struggle to adapt as ancient ocean currents begin to weaken. Scientists watch in disbelief. A force so familiar, so invisible, has quietly been holding our world together all along. Earth continued its lonely journey through space, but something invisible had already begun to change. As centuries became millennia, Earth's climate slowly drifted away from the balance the moon had quietly protected for billions of years. Ice marched farther across the continents, while deserts swallowed forests that had once been full of life. But to understand why the moon matters, we have to travel back to the very beginning. 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was nothing like the peaceful world we know today. It was a burning ocean of molten rock. Then, another world appeared. A planet nearly the size of Mars, racing toward the young Earth. What happened next was one of the most violent events in the history of our solar system. The collision shattered worlds, launching unimaginable amounts of molten rock into space. That glowing cloud of debris refused to disappear. Gravity slowly began weaving chaos into order. Millions of fragments collided, merged, and slowly gathered into something entirely new. From fire, a newborn moon was born, a world still glowing beneath rivers of molten lava. Over millions of years, the surface cooled. Countless impacts scarred its face, creating the moon we recognize today. Earth had found a companion, and together, they began a partnership that would last for billions of years. The moon's gravity pulled gently on Earth's oceans, creating the tides that would help shape life itself. Even today, tiny sea turtles still follow its silver light, guided by an ancient rhythm written into nature. For thousands of years, sailors crossed unknown oceans beneath the moon, trusting its light long before maps or satellites ever existed. Together, Earth and the moon became more than neighbors. They became partners in one of the greatest stories in the universe. Across the endless darkness of space, our fragile blue world continues its extraordinary journey. Without the moon, Earth would still be here, but it would never become the beautiful, living world we know today. Some companions change everything.